So this is what a morning looks like in my home with 3 rescue dogs, a parrot, a homeschooler. Lucky tries to get into absolutely everything. And Zoe always tries to get in a good nap. Precious rides around on my hand or my arm, don't ya? Yeah, Lucky's still trying to get into whatever he can. I know. I know. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You gonna eat your apple? You gonna eat your apple? Yeah, there's apples and grapes for you. I know. I know. What you doing? What you doing? Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Co. Yeah. What you doing?
He's up here.
What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing?
He asked, what Coco are you doing?
Yeah, if you hear Jacob, he's working on his online school. So Jacob's working on his school work. He's getting it done, so maybe we can go jump in the pool for a little while. And Winnie has claimed his spot.